Hey YouTubers! Today I'll be showing you a video tutorial on how to replace your memory on your laptop. First we're going to need a laptop, of course. Phillips screwdriver. Big Phillips screwdrivers won't work, so we're going to use the small one in this tutorial. Also, the last thing you'll need is a memory stick. So let's get started. Flip the laptop behind, make sure it's unplugged, and pop out the battery. You'll see on your laptop. On mine, I have a slot here that keeps the memory here and has a vent. Some laptops might be behind here, but for mine, I will remove this. So let's get removing. You'll twist this around. This might be a little bit difficult if you had never opened this in a while. Okay, the first screw. First screw. Put them somewhere that you won't lose them, just in case, because you don't want your memory falling out. Okay, so now you take this off. As you can see here, I already have two sticks. So the first stick, I will pull these two back, and this will pop out. I take this out. I take the new one. I just put it back in here. And then I push it down, but make sure you get it inside. This might take a little bit of effort. As you can see here, I got it stuck. So push it in, and then push it down. Make sure it's... So now let's put the cover back on. And screw the screws in. And there you have it. You've now changed your memory on your laptop. Hope this helps you. Bye.